Okay, here we are. We're going to do our 2.0 walkthrough. I am so thrilled and so proud of all of the changes that we've made in this newest version that was released just at the beginning of this year. Thank you to the many farmers who were on GrownBy, joined the co-op in 2021, and who contributed their ideas and feedback into this release. Also, thanks to our engineering team who are incredible. So Farm Generations Cooperative, we are a national cooperative of farmers building software for a fair and just and sustainable future for direct-to-consumer family independent farms. And we welcome you to join. We're going to go through the GrownBy 2.0 features. If you've already used GrownBy in 2021, we'll point out what's different. And if you're new to using GrownBy is all about providing an amazing experience for your customers, a great experience for you to make it easier to sell direct to consumer, and to highlight all the amazing work that you are doing on your farm and to bring more consumers into our community, to encourage more consumers to buy directly from farms locally in their neighborhood. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to look at here on GrownBy is the new landing page. So on this new landing page, the first thing we bring up for shoppers is their favorite farms. A shopper can favorite your farm on GrownBy, send them directly to your shop, and then they can favorite your farm. And on the app and on the web version that we're looking at right now, they'll have your farm come up first. Our nearby farms are promoted. We're always going to be talking about our members. This is Jake and Taylor from Footprint Farm, who sold with us last season and who just joined the co-op. We're going to be talking about their story and other member stories as well. Talking about CSA, why it's important for consumers to join CSA. We don't have just CSA farms on GrownBy, but obviously it's an awesome way for consumers to show their support and for farms to have guaranteed revenue. So one of the things that we're really proud of in the next version, in this new version of GrownBy, is the Explore page, a totally redesigned map. And on the map, you can search for either farms, if farms is highlighted here, or products as well. So you can see the products that are available locally to you. So let's see here. I'm gonna Taylor and Jake's shop because they're selling some really great products right now. So if you highlight the Burlington, Vermont area, which is where they sell, you can see all the products that in fact their farm presently has available. You can also turn on filters, so real organic, USDA organic, eggs, CSA shares, whatever it may be. And then GrownBy will automatically filter by those results. So let's go back to the farm selling now. And we're going to go to Footprint Farm. And this is the completely redesigned farm shop page, which we're really proud of. Gives you more opportunity to have a header that's unique to you. You can add your logo here, which is really nice, and that will be seen throughout the app. These are the categories. These are totally customizable by you, whatever you want to share. Some farms have been creative, or they have sale items, different, any ways you want to categorize your shop. It's completely up to you. And then there's also a profile page. So here you have your contact information, your social link outs, you can have a featured products, and your customers can leave you reviews, which is really nice. And I know your customers appreciate being able to show how much they love your farm. Okay. And then the number of favorites. This is also where your customers can share your shop or favorite your farm. So that comes up first for them. So we're going to choose their fall vegetables CSA. Nice photo here, more details, reviews of the farm. And then for a CSA specifically, a customer chooses the share that they want, where they want to pick it up. And I have been shopping at another farm here, so I replaced my cart. You can only shop from one farmer at a time. And then you can actually add add-on shares as well. And then it's a really quick, simple checkout experience for your Consumers, they see when they're going to be picking up their products, and then they just click checkout now. They can select how they want to pay. They can pay all up front now. They can do weekly or monthly payments. This is all how you configure it. And then they can choose a payment method. They can add a credit card. They can pay offline, send you a check, do EBT, bring cash, whatever it may mean for you. And you can actually tailor, you can see has customized message here. So you can say, if you're paying offline, the directions for doing so. And we'll also send them an invoice. So I'm going to pop over now to the admin side of the app, which has been totally redesigned in a really nice way. The number one thing is that there is, if you're new to GrownBy, a good thing to point out is this welcome start here section. So if you're just claiming your farm, after you do that, definitely go to welcome start here and go through all of these steps to build out your shop. There are videos that we've made for all of these to walk you through that in detail. The dashboard, all of the links here, everything is just running a lot faster, a lot smoother. There's a link out to your shop, and on all of your product pages, there's links over to the consumer side. We do encourage you to definitely check how your products are looking, and so that gives you the ability to switch back and forth really quickly. Locations and schedules, CSA, this looks very familiar, and it's pretty similar to 1.0. The products page, customers page, and orders pages, however, these are completely redone. They're all mobile friendly. So if you're on the go, if you're at the farmer's market, you can access this either on the app or on mobile web, and you can quickly search by a customer name. You can quickly search by an order number and get the information that you need. So let's go back to the products page here. Again, there's similar sorts of filters as we had in the 1.0 version. You can add both shares for subscriptions and standard products. Those are products that are just sold one time. A big improvement that we're excited about is how we offer inventory for standard products. So one of the challenges previously was selling cuts of cheese or frozen meat. We have improved that greatly. Thank you, farmers, for your feedback. So this is an example of that. Previously, we had just global stock. So you would say, I have 1,000 pounds of apples, and then you would specify buying options. We'll sell those each. We'll sell them by the 5 or 10 pound options, and then essentially set a price per buying option. You can still do that in GrownBy 2.0, but we've added the addition of what's called stock per unit. So you can, of course, when you get the beef back from the processor, it's frozen and it is whatever weight it is. So you can only sell it in that way. So here you can set a price per base unit. So say you're selling your ground beef at $7 a pound, and then you can say, okay, well, I have a 1 pound pack and I have a 2 pound pack representing 2 pounds, and I have 10 in stock. And GrownBy will set automatically a price per pound based on your price per base unit here. And so you can see down below the options. Let's look over. For the consumer, they go to your farm shop, they go to the meat section, add to cart. Actually, let's just look at the detail page here. So they can either add a 1 pound or 2 pound. It adjusts the price. You add this to your cart, select your pickup location, and then you check out. And the other thing that we're excited about is distributions. Our reports are running about twice as fast as they were previously, so that's pretty exciting. Farm info, there's some quick links for your Stripe account, past due invoices that you need to check in on. You can update your branding in Stripe, payout settings, all that good stuff. We can also add multiple managers to your farm. If you're managing your operation with 1 or 2 other people, we can add them as admins to your account, and they'll show up here. So this is your farm profile, where you can add your farm's story, address, photos. You can add your farm logo here now, brand colors, and you can select any certification badges that you qualify for, that you have received. We are excited to add the Real Organic Project to our list, and then any tags that you would like to offer as well. So this is just a quick run through. There is so much more that we have added to GrownBy. We are really excited to share this with you. And if you need any help when you're setting up, please reach out to us, support@grownby.app. We're also more than happy to do an individual demo to talk about how our model might fit with your existing sales model, what you've established at your farm, and also talk about what your needs are, right? We have a lot of requests, for instance, for home delivery. That is something that we're going to be incorporating this year, things like that. What are the reports you need? What are additional features you need? This is a partnership. We are a cooperative. Our goal is to help you succeed. So tell us how we can do that. All right. Thank you so much. And we look forward to hearing from you.